Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Then let's go to Device Identifiers, and here localize build number. And all you have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And now we've got this information. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system. So here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.